Okay, so we have a pop-up Cars and Coffee today. It's probably the last one of the season. It's getting a little chilly out. There may be some drizzle out there, so we'll see. I can't remember the last time I've used the wipers on the E30, but we'll head out. One more Cars and Coffee, and then it'll probably be time to start working on the car over the winter with some fresh parts. So we made it Cars and Coffee, supporting ground support, and it's a pretty good turnout. All right, so we're out here. We have this Corvette. Has a sticker from Kaizen Speed. They do a lot of Corvettes and Camaros. Don't know if this is theirs or not. This neon has looked like this for as long as I've lived in the area. It's cool to see one car kind of maintain its style. We have this 300ZX here. It's super clean, and I really don't see these too often. You can see it had the certified spicy sticker from the big Cars and Coffee events. And then this MR2 catches my eye. Let me know if you guys know if this is the stock color or not. This Camaro we've seen at the drag strip has some nice, I guess, pie cut welding bits on it. Clean C4 Corvette. Probably owned by an old dude. This is the first M4 that I've seen in this color. I would just call it orange. BMW probably calls it some Phoenix Fire. Don't know if this is necessarily the color that I would pick for it. It looks good with the body lines, but I think I prefer the black or the kind of the purple that they use. And these Lexus, I don't know what the model is, but I think they always look pretty sporty with the amount of kind of sharp lines that they have on them. Here we have Caesar and Tony rolling in, and the GTR and the Supra behind him. They always get everybody to turn and look when they roll in. So normally I don't like chrome tint, but I think with the color of the car and the color of the wheels on an overcast day, this all kind of ties together nicely. Here's a car I know everybody should like. I personally don't know anything about it, so I think it's kind of missed on me, but it definitely looks cool. It stands out. What do you think? Should I get a big Reichardt's Workshop banner for my windshield? And in this Mustang, we've got some, I guess, chrome flake hydro dip on the engine and some geometric spots on the back. I don't really know what this style is called. One of the things about old trucks that I always like is just how massive the engine bay is. I mean, it's a big engine in there, but there's still plenty of room. Chad here in the Supra told me to go check out his wheels. His wheels entire setup still left over from autocross. Looking good. Then we have an Audi here and the M3 that I've seen at other car shows. I will record similar cars across multiple events. It's just kind of what I'm drawn to. This Supra was also at one of the last events, but the hood was open, so here's a shot of it with the hood closed. You'd think with this El Camino, the new age V8 in here, I don't know what it is, but you think that would get my attention, but actually what did was the carpet that they put in the bed back here. I don't know, I just liked it. Gotta watch my shins for these spiky lug nuts. I do like these new FRSs. I don't know if it's necessarily what I would spend my money on, but I think for the price, I think they're around 35 grand. They're pretty sweet for a new car, a new sporty car. I don't know if this is stock or not. Probably not, but this extended wing here back on the back makes it look pretty cool. And here we go. Here's the real winner. It's looking a little patchy. Paint's fading extra in some spots, but it's holding in there together, and we'll work on it slowly as we can. Well, we've made it home. The wipers worked for a little bit, and then they did give out towards the end on the bit of a rainy drive home. Luckily, I still had that Griot's cleaner kind of baked into the windshield, so the water just beat it and rolled right off, so I didn't have any issues there. I think I'm going to have to do a nut and bolt check on the E30. The past 2 drives I've done, it sounded like maybe a bolt or something has fallen off, so we'll make sure that everything's good there. Hopefully, if anything, it was just some rust that I heard, or maybe something on the road that I kicked up with the tires. But yeah, pretty good Cars and Coffee to probably end out the season for me, and I'm looking forward to making some changes over the winter.